Hi guys, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So, fantastic what we've got in today with us. We've got a lovely Nissan GTR that's in to have quite a bit of styling work done to it by ourselves. So we're doing all the lower body kit around the car. It's being removed, bumpers off, all that removed, clearing this section, all colour coded to the car. Then as we move around the car, the side vents are going to be removed and then hydro dipped in dark carbon. Bonnet vents as well, so all around the car colour coded. On the rear of the car we're also looking at doing the exhaust tips in black heat resistant paint. The rest of the car, once we're all finished, everything's back together, will be machine polish, so a 3-stage machine polish around the car. Final thing we'll be doing, after a bit of a valet and a clean up, on all the body kit we're fitting the NISMO red stripe. So that runs on the front, down the sides and on the back of the car, a little bit on the mirrors and a small bit just on the inside of the vents as well. Stay tuned, please like and subscribe to our channel, plenty more to come. We'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're back over with the Nissan GTR now, and as you can see, quite a lot of the parts have been stripped, and we've got the front lock off. That's now going to be repaired and painted, along with the centre section, all colour coded as well, and the lower grey section as well will be all repaired and painted, colour matched for the car. Then we have the brake calipers. So the brake calipers are now going to be done in red, heat resistant paint, new Brembo decals to go on it as well. And then, don't give me a shot. Then coming along the side of the car, we've got the side trims also to be colour coded. Red, hi. Oh, hello. Hi, Gav.
When is hair grown? When is hair grown?
Hair's grown, very much. Actually, I've got a haircut on Thursday, so give it a little trim. Cool. You touch me. It tickles. Rear, I think we covered that. Rear calipers in red as well, new Brembo stickers. Back section as well being all colour coded, which is over there at the moment. Exhaust tips to be done in black heat resistant paint. Whole car machine polish, so we'll get onto all of that later on. And that's where we are at the moment. Thank you for watching. See you soon.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, there's a cake review in a little while as well. Cake review.
Do you want to dance?
Let's ask Adam, what are we doing here, Adam?
We're just prepping up some calipers ready to be painted in heat-proof, heat-resistant red paint.
Super.
And then replacing the Brembo stickers that were on them before I sanded them off. And then get it back to the customer, you know? Prep them back to the customer.
I think we've got to do the other work as well, mate.
Oh, right.
And then back to the customer.
Okay.
Do you want to dance?
Our next next cake review.
It's irresistible, apparently.
We've had delivered off today by Alligator, who we do the alligators for.
From Co-op.
From
the Co-op.
No, it doesn't work for Co-op.
It doesn't work for
No, it
Co-op.
doesn't work for Co-op.
Oh, right.
Or any other supermarket.
Oh,
We're
okay.
going to go through this again. Right, so we're going to review our next cake review, and it is irresistible hand-finished salted caramel cake. Ooh. Here we go, look, here we go. Ooh, and here's the cake. Look at this, look. Look at that. Lovely. Oh yeah. Right, okay, let's see what you think. Smell test.
Moistness is great.
Moistness, good moistness.
Fluffy. Fluffy.
Well, that's a bit of wine, yeah.
Put it back down.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Do you have to do the marks out of 10? Marks out, so I think overall 6 is about. That's about where we'll be.
No, I'm not that.
Lovely. Lovely, thank you very much.
Actually, it turned up today.
Okay, so now in the spray booth with all the Nissan GTR parts. We've got front bumper over here, the side skirts, the front lip spoiler, and then the rear sort of diffuser section. All primed and flattened back, and I think, am I right, Mark? We're now ready for painting them all.
Yep, we've high build primed them,
Okay.
and then we've rubbed them right down, and then I'm going to use wet on wet, so it takes 10-15 minutes to flash off, and you can paint straight over the top of it. And just to seal it in where it's broken through slightly, that'll just seal it all in, and little tiny imperfections that'll hide that, so that'll be like brand new again.
Okay. So the Nissan bumper, front bumper, and then side skirts and the other parts are now all in a wet on wet black primer. So now ready to have the base coat or the colour put on, and then we're ready to carry on, aren't we, Gav?
We sure are. I'm looking forward to it.
Looking forward to carry on, mate.
Doesn't take a lot for me to get excited.
Hey! Is that you getting excited?
Yeah, that's me getting excited. Right, I'll have to turn the oven off.
Do you want to dance?
Nissan GTR parts in the booth again. So last time you were with us, we just painted all the parts, or just putting the paint on. They now just had their lacquer coat, or clear coat as it's known, and been baked off. So just give you a quick look at these. So now they are, there's the side skirts, front bumper we were just looking at, then we're over to the front lower bumper section. That's now all colour coded as well. So all these bits are now colour coded to the car, which before they were that grey colour that Nissan put on all of them parts. So they're now all colour coded. Ready to look towards getting everything fitted back up. Then once they're all fitted back up in the car, if there's any little bits of polishing and what have you needs doing, we shall do that then. Lovely. Right, we're now about to, we're just stripping out the boot so we can use the Dynamat sound deadening. And we're using what's called a super light Dynamat material, because then it's lightweight, much thinner, but really good with the sound deadening. And we're taking out the side trims, rear trim, and then we will be covering the whole inside of the boot with it. Bloody lovely job.
You wanna dance?
Can everyone stop trying to steal my moment?
This is my moment!
Yes! So at the moment I'm in the middle of the 3-stage polish on the GTR.
Okay. Hi and welcome back to the now finished Nissan GTR. As you can see, it's looking absolutely superb now after all the work we've done to it. So we've got complete front bumper removed, repaired and painted. All the body kit all the way around has been removed, repaired and colour coded. We've also got the our hydro dipping, so our carbon on the air intakes on the front there. Also down the side of the car, we've got our carbon fibre hydro dipping done. The whole car, also rear bumper has all been removed. Exhaust tips done in gloss black heat resistant paint. We've then got the NISMO stickers all the way around, the red decals all the way around the car. We've also got NISMO stickers on the wheels, and we've got the to finish off with the red brake calipers. So looking absolutely superb now, hopefully you'd agree. Also, it's all been machine polished. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for lots more car repairs, supercars, all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.